Volvo 850 bumper covers. The sad thing about these grills that they are not really available anymore. But not anymore. I have the 3D models for all three grills and also the tow hook cover. Short tutorial how to put them in. You go to the front right of the car. You put in one of the small ones, just like this, and the other small one, just like this. And if you don't have the tow hook cover, you put that on too. And then you go to the front left of the car. You position the grill and you just pop it in. That's it. You are done. You can download the 3D model of the big cover and the tow hook cover from Cats 3D. I have the links in the description. And you can buy the whole set from me on eBay, the big cover, the two small covers and the tow hook cover. Check the links in the description and follow for more.